Hey guys, welcome back to Shredcraft RC. I'm Cam, and today we're going to be wrapping the FlySky Noble NB4. This was a trace that I did, template for the NB4, and then I had my own graphics printed by WePrintWraps.com. Anyone can do it. So I'm going to go through the process of installing this and transforming the look of my RC remote. So this is pretty simple and anyone can do this. So go ahead and throw some time lapses up. I'm going to tell you right now, the first step is to prep. So you're going to want to clean every surface that these decals will be going on. And just like with anything, for better longevity, better adhesion, better final outcome, you're going to want to clean the entire remote with isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to go ahead, get that going and layer it up, and then we'll get some beauty shots when it's all wrapped up and transformed. Stay tuned. So here it is, guys, wrapped up. Get some beauty shots. Everything fit really well. Might be just a couple pieces that I will tune up just for easier installation. Yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with that. I think it really came together. I think I will have these available on the website. Just to give you an idea, they will probably be in the 40 to 50 US dollar range. Just the colors that I have available now. You can also send me a message on Instagram. I have white, I have like a hex carbon background with Shredcraft, and then I have a lime green and maybe another black and white variation of this. So be sure to let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Hit subscribe, see more cool little RC products I'm coming up with. And yeah, I will take you guys out with some beauty shots of this thing. Thanks for watching. See ya.